Welcome to Documentum Query Language Training by Dhyey Infotech Services. Documentum Query Language is also known as DQL. By end of this module, you will be able to define DQL, know how to use select statement and usage of where clause. Documentum Query Language used by administrators, developers and applications to retrieve information from Documentum Content Server. Documentum Query Language uses a syntax that is a superset of ANSI SQL. SQL is a structured query language for databases. You can execute DQL using different tools such as IDQL editor, which ships with Documentum Content Server. You can also use Documentum clients such as Documentum Administrator and WebTop to execute DQL queries. DQL queries can also be programmatically executed using TFC programs. Using DQL queries, you can retrieve, create, update and delete objects in Documentum repository. DQL is also used to search, index content and metadata. In addition to this, DQL also provides content management specific extensions to SQL such as register statement. Register statement is used to register external database table with Documentum repository. We will learn about register tables in the upcoming modules. Difference between DQL and SQL is that DQL operates on objects as well as tables and rows. However, SQL can only operate on tables and rows. DQL is very specific to Documentum. The select query is the most common type of DQL query, which retrieves the property of one or more objects. This query shows three keywords: select, from, where. These keywords divide up the query into three parts. The select query in the DQL is similar to one which we use in SQL. Select clause specifies the properties to be retrieved. From clause specifies the object type to be queried. The difference between the select in DQL and the select in SQL is, in DQL you specify the object type of the Documentum repository. Where clause is optional and specifies the condition for matching the objects whose properties will be returned by the query. When the where clause is present, the query is also called a conditional query. We can see here a simple DQL query using the select statement. Select r underscore object underscore ig, object underscore name, r creation date from dm underscore document, where object underscore name equal to train app.txt. This query will query the dm underscore document object type using the condition the object name equal to train app. In the result, it will return r object id, object underscore name and r creation date of all the objects which matches the condition specified in the where clause. DQL query can also directly query database tables as mentioned earlier. These tables are called register tables. To use the register table, you have to register first the table with the Documentum repository using the register statement. For further details on e-learning modules of Documentum, please contact us on info@dhyeyinfotech.org. We also provide physical training at your locations on Documentum 6.5, which will include development and administration. If you have such as training requirements, please do contact us on info@dhyeyinfotech.org. Thank you.